Hi guys, it's Kiran Malik here. Please subscribe to Momina's Mixed Plate and watch my interview.
Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. So today I have Kiran Malik in the studio with me. She is an actress, a model, a mum. She works in Dubai and she is visiting Lahore, and her film Pinky Meme Saab has been doing the rounds on in the cinema these days. So let's get to it. Let's talk to her a little bit about Pinky Meme Saab and her upcoming film with Shaan called Zarar. Hi Kiran.
Hello. That was a long, nice introduction.
I know you do so many things now. किस चीज को मैं choose करूँ फिर? अच्छा, Pinky Meme Saab. Coming to it, possibly the first Pakistani film to have such a strong female cast. You know,
Yes,
like predominantly
yes.
female cast.
And a very independent film as well. A lot of people don't make independent films.
Yeah.
In Pakistan.
In Pakistan, yeah.
Yes.
So it's like one of those, and actually like an independent film that made it to the theaters.
Yeah, mashallah.
Yeah. Like when I was doing my research and stuff, and I was talking about this as well, that the biggest criticism जो film को मिली थी कि भाई इसके अंदर एक strong male character नहीं है.
अच्छी बात नहीं.
हाँ.
We needed a change.
Yeah.
And that's what we wanted to do. No, I won't say कि एक male character नहीं है जो मेरे husband का है, but we are more stronger in it.
Yeah.
तो कभी-कभी औरत को भी जरा थोड़ा strong दिखाने में कोई बुराई नहीं है.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's the first film that has targeted the affluent diaspora Pakistanis.
Yes. When you've watched the film, right?
Yeah.
So don't you see Meher, my character, or even Pinky, to a point जहाँ आपको कि यार ये कहीं कुछ लग रहा है कि ये कुछ जानने वाला सा character लग रहा है. That's exactly it is.
Yeah.
You know, हम बैठ के when I come and sit with my mother, whenever I come from Dubai, हर वक्त हमारे घर में एक maid का issue होता है कि जी आज उसने ये कर दिया, आज उसने ये कर दिया. तो ये जिंदगी के बड़े मसले हैं जो हमारे. तो it's a very soft project which we did. It's कोई वो नहीं है कि जी आज हमने बड़े जो मेजरली हमारे मसले हैं उनको दिखाए. बड़ा छोटा सा मसला हमारी ज़िंदगी के नौकरों के अपने प्रॉब्लम्स जो you know we are not perfect. जो हमारी डायरेक्टर ने कर दिया कि जी ये छोटी सी बात है, पर इसको हम अगर बड़ा करके दिखाएंगे तो हर घर की यही कहानी.
हाँ, कहानी तो ये वही है ना, like in the sense it's a very like I guess it kind of looked like you're looking into like someone's drawing room and kind of looking
exactly. So a lot of my friends who watched, they said I can see Meher in some way or the other कि ये मैं खुद हूँ, and it's very difficult for me to portray as Meher because आपको act करना अपना जैसा बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
Okay, so for your first two film projects, like acting projects and that, and I'm assuming the characters are polar opposites.
Very opposite. Very opposite. एक में, you know, so Pinky Meme Saab is a pretty character, but very simple in its way as well. Very raw. This is a big commercial film which I'm doing with Shaan, you know, big budget. जब budget बड़ा होता है तो सब कुछ खूबसूरत लगना शुरू हो जाता है. आप समझ गए?
आपको अगर मेकअप भी ना लगा हो तब भी खूबसूरत लगते हो.
तो जब मैं उठ भी रही हूँ तो मैं काफी हसीन लग रही जाता है कि पिंकी मेम साहब में मैं वो ही लग रही हूँ. So yeah, it's
actually
very.
You're also just very pretty.
Oh,
so.
Thank you. You've been very biased right now.
I am not being biased at all. You know, I think I'm like. Can you guys believe that she's 40 years old? Like I can't. Like on her birthday, she like sent me an invite. Ki, oh guys, like you're invited to my 40th birthday brunch, and I'm like, Kiran, you're lying.
For a moment, it's so funny that I'm getting calls for a few other projects. So someone called me from I can't quote names, and they said कि oh आप क्यों बता रही है लोगों को कि आप 40 साल की होगी. मैंने कहा मैं 40 साल की हो गई हूँ तो हो गई. You know, and it's a milestone. I'm gonna tell people, right? I've achieved something in my life.
Yeah, I lived till 40. It's a milestone.
Very nicely, alhamdulillah. But and then he was like, नहीं मैंने कहा देखिए आप उम्र के साथ तो acting होती नहीं है. You know, if I will get work, I'll get work on what I perform, right? Rather than on my age. I said stop this whole attitude of के heroine ने 25 साल से बढ़ना नहीं है. So someone needs to come out and say, no, we are not in our 20s.
Yeah.
I am a 40-year-old woman and I am working. I have a lot of other projects coming up and I am getting work. Everyone is not one of those who are going to say that, oh, मैं एक 40 साल की औरत हूँ और मैं सिर्फ एक माँ का रोल कर सकती हूँ. अभी इसमें बहुत टाइम है. No one dare come and say that.
ग्रे कर दे.
I would like to do that, but अभी नहीं.
अभी नहीं रहेगी. I think तुम्हारा वो time 60 पे भी नहीं आने वाला.
अभी तो मैंने एक action film करनी है. When I will be.
Aren't you like? Isn't Zarar action?
It's an action film, but I am not doing that much action. But I would like to do a main lead वाली action. ये वाला. मुक्के मारने लोगों को.
अच्छा, what's the most cherishable moment on set? Pinky Meme Saab and Zarar.
Every day, I guess I had this music, वो जो होता है sound का बंदा. He was a South Indian guy, and he did all the big South Indian films. ठीक है, हमारी फिल्म कोई डब नहीं है पिंकी मेम साहब. It's all on that mic, which like it was something to achieve. बहुत मुश्किल से हो सकता था पूरा, और सारा क्लियर है. उसमें वो बंदा था, तो I guess वो he used to really like me over there. Whenever I used to come, there was a smile. So जब मेरे रोने के सीन आए, वो मुझे देख रहा कर. तो मेरे लिए काम ही था. मैं उसे कहूँ यार तुम अपना मुंह साइड पे कर लो और बूम जो है ना वो मेरी तरफ कर लो. So I really miss him, and that was one of the coolest moments I have when I was doing the रोने वाले scene, and he's just standing doing, looking at me like this.
If you ever had to style me, what would you put me in?
I like you in off shoulders. I remember you bought something for me, the pink.
Yeah. I love that.
Because I like your neck. You have a beautiful neck.
Yeah.
So I would like to, have the emphasis on this and put you in a nice off shoulder with a nice knee-length skirt with heels. Yeah. I like you more when dressy. Then and you put things together really nicely. तो मैं करूँगी किसी दिन. तो
मैं वो कह रही हूँ. ज़रूरी हो गया. आपको ज़रूरी हो गया. तो I want to wear this outfit that you have done.
All Styleberry.
All Styleberry. No, but you have to tell me when style. Guys, you have to check out her brand. It's called Styleberry, and she basically sources clothes from like all over and predominantly from Hong Kong. And it's very affordable fashion, and it's really quirky, fun stuff that you can kind of pair out with the statement pieces. And the best part is that she delivers to Lahore, so and across Pakistan actually. Yes, so I actually bought a bunch of stuff, and it's like in the really good like 5,000-6,000 rupees you can get something very fun. So I'm going to just put her Instagram right here. Just follow her and like do check it out. I'm a huge fan of it. So what's next for you?
Next, Zarar. There's another project which I'm doing. I've just signed it, so you guys will get to know very soon. It's a film as well.
Okay.
And it's a commercial film, but yet not that kind of a commercial film. It's a very mature role. It's a lead as well. So that's something lined up. और वही shoots चल रहे हैं या और साथ नौकरी चल रही है, तो वो सब. I think things are going well. I got really good feedback from Pinky Meme Saab, which really helped me. Because things were in the loop, but nothing was on the air, right? No one saw कि क्या है acting skills है क्या. So उसके बाद then I started getting calls. I don't want to do a drama right now, which I am actually being asked. But I guess I'll do another film and then I'll look into drama, because drama is masters. So I would like to do it, but unless it's a good project, I wouldn't really go to.
But anyways, thank you so much for coming in. I wish you all the best for.
Thank you for having me here,
Zarar.
And I'm loving the studio. It's looking so nice, and
thank
so
you
proud
so
of
much.
you, girl.
Thanks, buddy. And I hope you guys enjoyed the segment. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you next time. Take care.